Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to transfer BUSD from your Arculus wallet to crypto.com in 2025. Whether you're new to crypto or just need a quick refresh, this step-by-step tutorial will have you moving your assets smoothly and securely. BUSD is a stablecoin that's super popular for its stability, and transferring it between wallets and exchanges is easier than ever with the latest updates. First things first, make sure you have both the Arculus Wallet app and the crypto.com app installed on your device. You'll also need your accounts set up and verified. Double-check that to avoid any hiccups. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your Arculus Wallet app and log in with your secure credentials. Once you're in, navigate to your wallet dashboard and select BUSD from your list of assets. You'll see your current balance, great for confirming how much you want to transfer. Step 2. Tap on the BUSD asset to open its details. Look for the Send or Transfer option and click it. Now, you'll need the recipient address from crypto.com. Switch over to the crypto.com app, go to your wallet section, and select Deposit. Choose BUSD, and it will generate a unique deposit address for you. Copy that address carefully. Step 3. Back in Arculus, paste the crypto.com address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of BUSD you want to send, but remember to leave a little extra for network fees if applicable. Double-check everything to ensure accuracy. Crypto transfers are irreversible. Step 4. Hit Confirm and authorize the transaction. You'll likely need to verify it with your wallet's security features, like a PIN or biometric scan. Once approved, the transfer should process quickly, often in minutes, depending on network congestion. A quick tip. Always monitor your transactions on a blockchain explorer for BUSD, like BNB Smart Chain, to track the status. If you run into issues, check both apps' support sections or community forums. There you have it. That's how you transfer BUSD from Arculus to crypto.com in 2025. It's a simple process that keeps your funds secure and accessible. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Let's keep building that digital portfolio together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.